Hello everyone! This video is an explanation of the meaning and signs used to sign to the song We Get Up Again. It's important to remember and understand that in BSL, British Sign Language, it's actually the meaning that's important. This song does include quite a lot of metaphors, which means sometimes we have to sign the meaning or how we would visualize or picture things rather than the actual word in English. In this song, we have a musical motif that sounds like this. Whenever we hear this motif, we're going to sign click, click. 1, 2, 3. Our open hands are going to move downwards. We're going to start with the chorus. The first line is, we all have a story. For this, we're going to sign. We start with the hands facing out near our chest and circle inwards. So we have a group of people standing in a circle. The sign for story comes from the chest. We're circling up and over each hand. For the second line, when it says made of highs and lows, rather than actually signing made of highs and lows, we're going to sign made of highs and lows. These two signs mean happy and sad. Happy, clapping the bottom part of your palm together, happy. Sad. Nice flat hand going down in front of your face. Happy, we're going to sign here, and sad. I am right-handed, which means this is my right hand. If you're right-handed, use your right hand. If you're left-handed, use your left hand. The next line says it's all part of our picture. For this line, we're going to sign everything coming together, and then fists closed in front of each other, opening up to create a picture in front of us. Then we have, and every brush stroke shows. So we're going to take our hand with 2 fingers and the other hand exactly the same, one at a time. We're going to start with our dominant hand. So if you're right-handed, you're going to start with your right hand. And we're going to go paint, paint. So this side, and then shows. This is like opening up in front of us, like, have a look, this is what we have made. The next 2 lines say, sometimes there will be sunshine, sometimes there will be rain. Instead of signing sometimes, we're going to change it for each line. For sometimes there will be sunshine, I'm imagining a beautiful clear day that's bright and sunny, so we're actually going to sign day, which we also use for the meaning of light. So sometimes there will be sunshine, and we're going to sign sunshine this side. For the next line, sometimes there will be rain. As you notice, we're going the opposite way round, which means night or dark. So sometimes there will be rain, and we're going to sign rain the opposite side. For the line, we all fall down, we're going to sign we all fall down. So everyone, all of us, using our right hand, left hand if you're left-handed, of course, we all fall down. This sign means feeling down, so not feeling great. So we can all feel down sometimes, right? So we all fall down. For the last line of the chorus, we're going to sign, but what matters is we get up again. What we're going to sign is, what does that mean? The first sign means important. So this is the thing that's important to us. My left hand is going to be flat facing down, and my dominant hand, so my right hand, is going to tap twice. Important. So What matters? For the next part, we have a sign that goes like this, and it means strong or strength. So we're going to say what matters. So what's important is that we are strong and we have the courage and strength. Let's have a look at the first verse. For open up your heart, we're first going to draw the heart to show what we're talking about. So open up your heart. We're actually visualizing 2 doors to your heart and we're opening them up. So open up your heart. The next line, let the feelings in. We're first going to sign feelings because that's what we're actually talking about. So feelings. The hand shape for this sign is a little bit harder. We have a flat hand. The middle finger bends ever so slightly inwards, so it looks a bit like this. So feelings, and then we're going to take both hands, pinch them close, and put them inside us. Let the feelings in. The next part says, don't be too scared to say, where do I begin? So for this section, we're going to sign scared using a claw hand shape because it looks like claws. So scared whilst shaking our head, meaning not scared, right? So don't be too scared. For to say, we're going to sign the word to express ourselves. So we're going to hold our fists in front of us and then move them out, palms facing up towards the sky. To say, don't be too scared to say, where do I begin? So we are going to start with the sign where, palms open, moving in towards each other. So where, and rather than signing begin or start for the next sign, we're actually going to sign go, go, go. And because we are changing sides, right, left, right, it carries the meaning. Do we go this way? Do we go that way? We don't know. Where do I begin? For the second half of this first verse, we have 2 lines that say, open up the door, be curious, explore. For this, we're going to really think about the meaning. So curiosity and exploring things tends to happen up in your brain. So instead of just opening up the door here, we're actually going to open up the door up here. So open up the door to your mind, imagination, curiosity. So open up the door. Be curious. We're going to use that claw hand shape again that we used earlier. And it means interesting. So be curious. Explore. For the sign explore, we're going to use little c hand shape. So not our full C, little c. So we fold in our fingers and we just make a C with our thumb and index finger in both hands. And then we're circling out away from us. Explore. The next line says, don't let your fear win. For this, we are going to go back to that sign for scared or fear with our claw hand shape, tapping on the chest. And then we're going to take it and push it away to the side. So don't let your fear win. We're getting rid of that fear away from us. The last line of this verse says, we've got the strength within. So first we're going to start with within, so inside us with the pinched hand, so within, and then we're going to bring the strength out. So we're going to close our fists together and bring it up. Let's go through the second verse together. It starts with the line, open up your mind, and we've actually used this sign earlier in the song, but we're going to sign it in a slightly different place. We're going to use the fists close together up here and open them up to create an image. So open up your mind. For find out what's inside, we're going to point to our head and then use both hands to say what. Then we have a line that says, Learn what you don't yet know. Learning things we don't know are new things to us. So we're going to start by signing new. My right hand is the one that's coming up from the back. My left hand is in front. So new. And then we're going to sign learning. So we're going to take our hand and we're going to pinch it whilst moving towards our head, other side, and back to the first side. So new, then learn, learn, learn. For the last line, and feel your spirit grow, we're going to start with both hands up near our chest and then let it grow up and out. Now we've arrived at the bridge part of the song. Now this is one of my favourite parts of the song, and we're really going to think about the meaning and metaphors here. The first line says, every time I get pushed down. We're going to use our right hand, our dominant hand, or left if you're a lefty, and we're going to push, push, push. Remember at the start of the song when we used people in our hand, we're going to use one person, push, push, push. So every time I get pushed down. My light shines a little bit brighter. Now we're not going to do an actual light. We're going to sign, my light shines a little bit brighter. 2 fingers together from your shoulders, up, up, up. And it means I'm going to stand up for myself. So my light shines a little bit brighter. Every sadness and every frown. So remember the sad from earlier on. We're going to sign it exactly the same. So every sadness, every frown, we're going to sign grumpy. Because when we're grumpy, we're frowning. So scrunch, scrunch, right by our face. So every sadness, every frown. Then, for my light shines a little bit brighter, we're not going to do the same as we've just signed. We're going to change the meaning a little bit. We're going to sign the opposite of sadness and frowning, which is smiling, of course. Smile, smile, smile. So right, left, together. Doing the sign with 2 hands means really, really strong smile. Big smile. For the next line we have, there's a courage in me that I have found. I really love this line. We're going to start with the sign for courage or bravery. Claw hand shape again, starting by the chin, pulling away. So courage in me, leave the hand there. We're going to use the other hand. This is our mirror that we're looking into and thinking, wow, I'm actually really brave. This is great. So there's a courage in me that I have found. My light shines a little bit brighter. For this 3rd time that we're signing this exact same line, we're going to change it again. This time we're going to take a small C. So make sure we're not holding all our fingers out. It's just going to be our thumb and index finger. Starting down here, we're going to go up, up, up. This sign means confidence, but the confidence is going up. So it's getting more confident, more confident, more confident. My light shines a little bit brighter. For the last line, we have nothing's going to stop us now. We're going to sign. What does all of that actually mean? We have 3 signs. The first sign means our hand is getting blocked. This is a barrier, but we're going to move it away. So the barrier gets moved, and then we move this hand. This is going to be our goal or our aim. We're going to go towards it. So barrier moves, turns into something good that we're aiming for, and we're going to achieve it. So this last sign means to achieve, to get, right? So we're going to grab it and be like, yes, I can do this. For the breakdown part of the song, we're going to start with a little clapping rhythm. We're going to use our fist into the palm. So fist, clap, fist, fist, clap. And we're going to repeat that twice. Then we have the little line that says we all fall down. So think back to the chorus. So all of us down. So we all fall down. And then we have a little bit more clapping. Fist, fist, clap. We're going to repeat that again. So we all fall down, fist, fist, clap. For the next part, we have 4 lines exactly the same, but we're going to change it ever so slightly every single time. The line is, we all fall down, but we get up again. We're going to think back to the bridge that we just learned and use some of the signs from there. We all fall down is going to stay the same every single time, but the first time we get up again, we're going to sign, stand up for yourself. So we all fall down, but we get up again. The second time, we're going to do smile. So we all fall down, but we get up again. You can just do it in one hand or 2 if you want to. The third time, we all fall down, but we get up again, so the confidence sign. And the fourth time, we all fall down and we get up again. And we know this sign quite well because it means strong and it appears in all our choruses. Now for the last line, it goes 1, 2, 3, sing it. We're going to sign 1, 2, 3. In BSL, our numbers have the palm facing towards us and we're going to use our dominant hand. So 1, 2, 3. Instead of sing it, we're going to change it to sign it. We're going to use our hand and do the sign for signing. So 1, 2, 3, sign it. We have come to the outro section of the song, so this is going to be our ending. We have 6 lines that we're going to repeat exactly the same. We get up, shine a little bit brighter. We're going to use the sign for strong or strength, so we get up, shine a little bit brighter. Using your hands, wiggle your fingers, move your body, shine a little bit brighter. We get up, shine a little bit brighter. Now for the very last line is a slowed down version of we get up again. So we are actually going to use several different signs and combine them together for all the meanings. We're going to start with the sign for strong. Stand up for yourself, raise your confidence, and shine. We get up again.